Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today we will be installing the TKO 600. I was currently waiting on the clutch. That was the last item I needed to get the install done. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so it's a Ram clutch that I purchased from Summit Racing. It's a 88794 HDT. It's rated at 400 to 450. The reason why I had to get this clutch is because TKO transmission has a 26 spline input shaft, which is the T5 has the 10 spline. So let's open it up and see what we got. All right, here's our clutch disc. It's an organic compound. And our nice new fresh pressure plate. Got to clean that up. New throttle bearing. Bell housing's ready. Got the clutch fork, throttle bearing, drive shaft ready, all cleaned up. New yoke. If you haven't seen the video for the drive shaft refurb, check the description. I'll leave a link for that. We gotta clean this up. We gotta clean up the flywheel, and then we'll get this installed. Throw that in a time lapse for you guys, so you don't have to be watching me clean up the flywheel and all that. So here we go. Alright, sorry guys, I had to stop the video. Was pretty much almost done with the whole installation until I got the cross member and the isolator mount. So this is what I'm exactly talking about here. These spacers that go in between the isolator mount and the cross member. When I add these spacers in there to take up the extra space, the studs on the cross member are just not long enough. Or not the cross member, the studs on the isolator mount are just not long enough for me to get those tightened up. So, like I said, I gotta find out which isolator mount I'm gonna need. Finish this up and get it installed completely so we can go for a test drive. And I'm sure you guys wanna see that. I wanna do that, so hopefully in the next week or so, I'll have everything situated and I will be back on the channel giving you an update of that and hopefully a test ride on top of that. So stay tuned. Thanks.